back to my channel. So today we are going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. It's one of my favorite palettes that I own. What am I doing? I did some swatches the other day of kind of the colors I wanted to use in what order, so I gotta find that. But we're gonna be doing kind of another rainbow look. So I really wanted to try and do as many rainbow looks as I could, because I don't see many of those videos around, and I love doing rainbow looks. Alright, so my eyes are already primed, my eyebrows are already done. We're going to go in with the yellow right there on like an angled kind of fluffy brush, and we're going to start that up in the corner. And right now I'm just packing that color in just to make sure that it's really there. And then we're gonna go into the orange shade there and pack that just like we did the yellow. For those of you who don't have this palette, if you're looking for a good colorful palette, I 100% recommend this one. It's amazing and it's really inexpensive. Juvia's Place is a great brand if you're looking for more inexpensive but still really good quality palettes. Alright, and we're going to go into the pink. This is going to go on that tail end up in the crease. Then we're just going to go back in and pack on all the colors again, just to make sure everything's blended and no color stole the show from the other ones. There, simple. Alright, now, if I can find it, we're going to take our concealer. This is the same concealer I always use, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And don't know which shade it is. Shade 5, Ivory. Because I'm a pale ass bitch. And then I'm going to take our little flat domed crease cutting brush. We're going to do a dramatic cut crease. So we're going to start in the middle, draw our little line and look up. So we can see kind of the guideline of where our natural crease is. And then we're going to disregard that and go over that line. And just fill in with the concealer. This may not be the best concealer for crease cutting because it is a little bit watery. I'm actually going to use a mirror so I can get a better up close look. It is a little bit of a watery concealer, so it doesn't quite do exactly what I want it to, but I'm broke, so this is what we got. Did anybody see Jeffree Star's collection reveal? Because I know my sister and I were prepared the entire day. Like, we had snacks and everything. We were ready. And I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love blues. I had, like, guessed a while back that this palette was going to be kind of a blue-based palette. And it's really hard to find good quality blues. And I don't have as many as I want. So I'm 100%, like, in love with that palette. Alright, we're going to go into the green shade and then transition into the blue on the lid. With a little flat brush, I sprayed it down with some setting spray. I am a little disappointed that he did not do any, like, single lipsticks. He only did the mini lip bundles, which I don't normally get just because I prefer to have a full-size lipstick. But like the colors in the bundle are cute. I don't think I'll be getting it just because I, you know, prefer full sizes. Pretty sure I would go through the minis in like a week. We're going to take that green about 3/4 of the way. And then we're going to go into the blue and kind of just barely go over that green and carry it through the rest of the lid. I do love the liquid frosts that he is coming out with though. I love colorful highlighters. I think they're so much fun. So I'm really excited for at least getting maybe 1 or 2 of the blue liquid highlighters. I need to get more of his like regular pan highlighters in the fun colors. Like Deep Freeze, Mint Condition, Regina George. And I haven't tried his liquid highlighters yet because I don't have really any liquid highlighters. So I'm excited to try those out. And then the tracksuits, I don't know. Like, I don't really wear tracksuits, but I'm willing to try it. Like, maybe just the bottoms and a white t-shirt. That I would probably wear. Alright, there's that. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do the other lid and my base, and I'll be back. Alright, so base is on, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, contour, blush, all of that is on. I went ahead and finished this eye, so then, if I can find my brushes, I'm going to go back and kind of show you what I did. I don't know where my brushes went, but oh well. We're going to go into the purple, right there. And we're going to start blending that on the lower lash line, on the outer 2/3. And then I'm going to take a big old fluffy brush. We'll go back into the pink that we used earlier, and we're going to smoke the purple out with that pink shade. I'm going to do that a little more on this side too. If you can hear noise coming from over there, that's my sister, by the way. I'm going to take that green shimmer that we used on the lid, and I'm going to pull that in to the lower lash line. Okay. And then we'll go in with our L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Oh, got it on my finger. I'm so bad at this part, I always end up getting mascara on my face. I go in with our black Wet n Wild pencil liner on the outer 2/3 of the waterline. Then we're going to take this is the NYX white pencil eyeliner, retractable eyeliner crayon is what it says. And we're going to use that on the inner 1/3 of the lower waterline. And then we're going to use a green pencil liner. This is from, I really don't know the brand. Oh, we're going to go over the white with that. Alright, that's the eyes done. Oh! I don't know where my found it. Didn't know where my highlighter palette went. We're gonna take our Morphe 510 brush, maybe. And I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice Pro Palette, Ice Cold. Cheekbones, over the brows. And we're going to take our skinnier brush. We're going to do the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow. To really, really highlight the Cupid's bow. And we're just going to place a little bit under the eyebrow. And there's that for lips. I think I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in shade Romeo and see how I like that. Yeah, I like that color. Alright, we're going to spray our face a little bit of setting spray. I don't know how to get out of here. Everything's crooked. Everything's cluttered. Give me a second. And there we have the finished look. Thanks everybody for watching. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell so you know whenever I upload videos. And I'll see you guys next time.